And the reason why I got this bag, besides the fact that I absolutely love YSL bags. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a bag review, and this is the bag from Yves Saint Laurent, also known as YSL. This is the Cassandra envelope clutch, and the reason why I got this bag, besides the fact that I absolutely love YSL bags, I love the aesthetics of their bag. I also love the shape of their bags, mainly the envelope bags that they have. And their bags just look very chic and timeless, and I can see myself having especially this bag for a very long time, maybe forever, as long as it stays in good shape. And I think that it will, because so far I've been wearing it like crazy and it looks brand new. As you can see, this bag is in this beautiful shade of black, and black is actually one of my favorite to-go colors in bags. I just find it to be more timeless, and it can go with a lot more things. And as you can see, this bag has this beautiful gold hardware in the YSL, and it also has it on the side of where the clutch handle goes, but I will go into that in more detail. And it is a front flap, so you just pop it open like that, and you just snap it back, and it snaps in really easy, really fast, no struggle there. I'm loving the shine that's over this leather. It has like a nice glaze of shine on it, and I think that is just so elegant, and it just makes the bag look even more timeless, and it's perfect for those occasions, for really nice events. This bag wears perfectly for any special occasions, but you can definitely dress it up or dress it down. You can wear it in the daytime. I've worn it in the daytime many times, but I do prefer to wear it to, as I mentioned, special occasions, whether that's to a nice formal function or a cocktail party or an event or somewhere that I'm getting dressed up to, or even date night. I love to grab this bag on those type of occasions because I just feel like it just blends in better with those occasions. However, like I said, you can definitely wear this bag during the daytime. It actually pairs really well with a pair of jeans and a nice jacket or a blazer. And of course, it pairs really well with a nice dress or an elegant outfit. But let's get into the details of this beautiful bag. I did mention earlier that the YSL sign was made from gold. It's actually made from brass, which is even better. It's top notch. The quality is amazing. You will probably never see a scratch on this because brass is just so sturdy and pure. The outside of the bag is quilted, and the inside of the bag, which I will get into more details a little bit later on in the video, but the inside of the bag is made from organic cotton. And when I found that out, I was very impressed by YSL, because that is definitely a healthier way to go to make a bag, and YSL is giving their customers healthier materials in their bags and top-notch quality, which I'm here for that. Very impressed. As I mentioned, I wear this bag all the time, and there's no scratches on this bag, at least not yet. And there's no scratches on the back, on the bottom of the bag. There's no scratches on the front of the bag, and I'll definitely give you guys more of a close-up of the bag. There's no scratches on the hardware of the bag. This bag is definitely one of my favorite bags in my collection, and I've had it for almost a year now, and it's going strong. I'm still wearing it, still loving it, and will definitely recommend it to family, to friends, to anyone, to you guys that would want to check it out. And another thing that I love about this bag is that it is very affordable. And what I mean by that is affordable. It's affordable compared to the other YSL bags that's on their website or in stores. This bag is definitely more in an affordable price range, in my opinion. I love that it has a lot of versatility and flexibility. When you open the bag, it does have a few compartments, and it has this big space here, which is pretty big for a clutch, and it has a back pocket here, and I am just loving it. And it has Saint Laurent here, Paris, which is a nice touch. And then it also has the logo as well back here in the bag. And like I said, it's very spacious. And the way I use this bag, so I'm gonna actually show you this. I took the straps off for the clutch because it's just a one strap that comes with it, and then you kind of just hold it by that one strap. But I prefer to wear it holding it like this, or the main way that I use it is by adding an organizer in it that actually has a gold strap. And you've probably seen me wear this bag with a gold strap. It's attached to an organizer, and I'm gonna show that to you right now. So this is the organizer and this is a strap. And what I love about this organizer, the strap and the organizer came together, which is a plus. This organizer is from Samorga. And the main reason why I got this organizer is because I wanted to make this bag even more versatile than what it already is. So I'm able to wear it crossbody, over the shoulder, and obviously as a clutch that it is. And this organizer also has pockets as well. So even more versatile and convenient. And I just pin or clip the strap to this side of the organizer and clip it to on the next side. And this is how the organizer looks without putting it in the bag. And I usually, like I said, keep it in the bag majority of the time because I prefer to wear it that way. Then I put the organizer in the bag like this. And this is how the organizer looks in the bag. It's literally perfect. It fits perfect in this bag. And as you can see, it slides in, slides out, and I don't have to worry about it. And it looks like normal straps. And then I snap here, and this is how the bag looks with the strap. Absolutely stunning, beautiful, and I'm really loving this organizer. And this strap, this gold strap, actually goes really well with the Ysl logo, which I'm really happy about. And this is how I've been wearing this bag, just like that. Wear this bag on my shoulder like this because the strap is really long, but one of the things that I do is I can double up this chain. So another way to make this strap shorter so you can actually wear it on your shoulders, I would cross the chain from the back and bring it around to the front over the flap, and it will look like that in the back. And then close it. And I just love how this bag just closed so easy. I don't have to like fight with it. And then, so this is how it looks in the back. And then you can wear it on your shoulders like this, which is way more suitable, more convenient, and just looks much better. That's one way. And then of course you can just hold it like this. I put the chain right on my fingers like this. Hold it like this as well. That's a really nice look as well. So many ways that you can wear this bag. It's really beautiful. You can always bring this up as well. Double strap, so the straps are even thicker like that. That's how the back looks. And then it's even shorter like this as well. And then I can give you guys a close-up inside of the bag as well. So I'll show you guys how the bag looks close up without the organizer. So a lot of space, pretty roomy. It's pretty deep as well, which is really good. And bam, this is how it looks. I just love the leather and the shape of this bag. The size of the bag is perfect. Let's put this back in here like so. As I mentioned earlier, there is a little holder here where you can snap the clutch strap on it as well, but I don't use it because I just don't use it. I don't need it. And then close it. And I don't usually wear this bag crossbody because, like I said, I bring it to a lot of functions and things like that. It's not made to do that way, but I could clip it on this if I wanted to. I'm just showing you guys. It's not necessarily what I do, but showing you guys how that looks as well. But I never do this, but I figured I can just show you guys all the options, all the possibilities on this. And bam, I would be wearing it with some casual clothes or some jeans or just something smart casual. Yeah, so I just wear it over the shoulder, crossed over, double chained. Or like this. Happy that I got a chance to review this. I've been waiting for a while because I wanted it to be almost a year, then share with you guys how I feel about this bag, and I'm loving it so much. And for sure, if you guys have any questions on anything that I didn't mention about this bag, definitely leave it in the comment section below and I can definitely answer it for you. This bag was made in Paris, and I think majority of their bags are made in Paris and Italy, but either way, I'm loving this bag, and I will let you guys know any other future updates on this bag if anything happens. But I will definitely also do a what's in my bag video separately and kind of show you guys what fits in this bag as well, so look out for that. Thank you so much for tuning in with me, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Until next time, stay safe. Bye, beautiful.